Main problem that everybody has with Pinterest is how to get traffic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find high search volume, low competition keywords. I'm going to show you how to optimize your Pinterest pins, and also I'm going to show you how you can get likes and saves. And all of this in order to rank as high as possible on Pinterest search results. And in that way, you will start getting free traffic from Pinterest for your Digistore 24 affiliate marketing to sell your PDF files or whatever you want. So first thing we need to do, we need to come here on Pinterest Trends. And here you can see what is currently trending on Pinterest. Soup recipes, icy nails, Colorado. Here you can see bridesmaids dresses, decorative tapestries. Here you can see January nails, vision boards, and so on and so on. So when I scroll here I can see soup recipes. So when I click here, I can get more information. Here you can see this is actually a growing trend. This is 100. This means this is maximum trend currently. And here I can see some related keywords. So now I need to test this keyword to see the competition, okay? So I will simply copy this keyword here, Control C, and I will go here on Pinterest and I will paste that keyword here and press enter. And here I can see, as you can see, as I expected, competition is really big, really strong. 48,000 likes, 31,000 likes, 9,000 likes, 16,000 likes, 10,000, and so on and so on. So competition is very big, very strong. But let's just see how much search volume this keyword is actually getting here on Pinterest. So I will come here on this tool called keysearch.co and I will paste that here, press search, just to see what the results I will get. Okay, confirm that I'm not robot, give it a few seconds. Okay, and here I can see, actually they didn't give me results for that exact keyword, they gave me results for related keywords, and that is also good. Here I can see easy soup recipe. So let me just go back here just to see, are there any related keywords here in this trend, okay? Soup recipe healthy, soup recipes, soup and stews. So there is, that keyword is not, this keyword here, easy soup recipes, is not here, okay? But let's just test this keyword here, just to see competition. I'm guessing competition is too big, okay? So I will simply paste that here, okay? Give it a few seconds. As you can see, competition for this keyword is also really big, really strong. So when I actually do this, quick, easy soup recipes, quick, easy soup recipes, crock pot, healthy, and let's just say, for example, let's just say this one here. I will copy this, Control C, and I will go here. Okay, confirm that I'm not robot, and paste it here. Click here on search, and here you can see easy crockpot soup recipe, 480 searches per month. So that is actually not that big search volume. So let's just say, for example, and competition is big. So I'm guessing they are getting traffic from this keyword here, easy soup recipe, okay? So let's just check, okay, this one here, just to see competition for this keyword. And here you can see competition is, there is less competition. Competition is not that strong, but it is still too strong. So let's just see one of these keywords here. Okay, soup with the ground beef. Let me just click here just to check out this trend, okay? It's actually going down. This trend is going down. Here I can see some related trends. Here you can see, okay, let's just test this keyword here. So I will simply copy this, Control C, go back here, and I will paste that here. Confirm that I'm not robot. Give it a few seconds. And ground beef soup, 12,000 people is searching this. Ground beef soup recipe, 8,000. So let me check this keyword here, okay? I will search that keyword just to check out the competition, okay? And here you can see there is much less competition, but there is still competition, strong competition, but I can rank high on Pinterest search results. So let's just say that this is, ideally, I would find a keyword with even less competition, but let's just say that I wish to target this keyword here. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a pin. So for that I will go here on ChatGPT, and here I need to give it a prompt. So I can say something like this, for example, write me an engaging script for a short video about soup with ground beef from personal perspective, and then press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this script for me. So ChatGPT finished writing this script and this is how it looks, but I will now give it a new prompt. I can say something like this. Describe each scene in detail so that I can make each scene separately, and press enter, and now ChatGPT will describe each scene separately, okay? And here you can see how this looks, okay? So let's say, for example, I will use this first scene, okay? So I will simply highlight this, okay? Control C. So now I will go here on Grok and I will click on create image, okay? And here you can see I have chosen video automatically and I will choose 9:16 ratio, okay? And here I will give it my prompt and then press enter. And now Grok will create this first scene for me, okay? And you need to create second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so on. And later, when you create all of these scenes, you can use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Both of these softwares are free video editing softwares. You can use them to create your video, to merge all of these scenes in one video, okay? Now Grok finished making my video and let's just play to see how this looks.
Some days, all you need is a warm bowl of comfort. Some days,
as you can see, this actually looks really, really well, and they even added a voiceover, and all of this is 100% free. So what I need to do, I need to download this to my desktop. So I will simply click here, download, and I will download this to my computer. And like I said, ideally you need to make all of these scenes separately, and then you need to join all of these scenes in one video. But for the purpose of this video, I will not do that, so I will use just this one scene. So what I need to do next, I need to go back here on Pinterest and I need to click here to create, and I need to create a pin, okay? So now I need to click here and I need to find the video that I just created in Grok. This is the video. Click here on open, and here you can see how this looks. But now I need to optimize my Pinterest pin in order to rank as high as possible on Pinterest, okay? So I need to add a title, and that title must include my main keyword, okay? Now, if you can write the title by yourself, that is by far best option. But if you cannot, you can use ChatGPT. So I can say something like this. For example, give me a title for my Pinterest pin. The title must contain this keyword, soup with ground beef. The title should be catchy and from a personal perspective. And press enter just to see what ChatGPT will give me. Here you can see they are giving me 5, 6, 8, 10 options. So I will use one of these. Let's say for example this second one. Copy this, go back here on Pinterest, and I will paste that here. Now here you can see this is my main keyword, okay? So title must contain your main keyword. Now I need to add description, and description should contain my main keyword, but also my secondary keyword, okay? So I will go back here on ChatGPT and I will give it a new prompt. So I can say something like this. For example, give me a description for my Pinterest pin. This description must contain my main keyword, soup with the ground beef, and the secondary keyword, beef soup. The description should be catchy and from a personal perspective. And simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me a description for this pin. Like I said, it is best if you can write this description by yourself. So I will simply copy this, okay? And go back here on Pinterest and I'm going to paste that here. And here you can see this description contains my main keyword. Here you can see soup with the beef, with the ground beef, okay? And here you can see beef soup. So it contains my main keyword and my secondary keyword. And I will actually add some hashtags. You should also add some hashtags. So for example, let's just say soup, okay? Soup, and I will add beef soup, and let's just say soup recipe. And that's it for now. Of course, you will add more tags. Now here, link. It is best if you can add a link to your own blog or website where you wrote some article. If you cannot, just leave it empty. Here you need to choose the right board. Choose the right board. And that board should also contain your main keyword. Ideally, in this case, it should be, for example, soup recipes, something related to the beef soup, ground beef soup in this case, okay? And here I need to add topics, okay? So let's say, for example, soup, okay? Soup, potato soup, tacos, okay? Tomato. Let's just see, is there beef soup, okay? Bean soup, beef barley soup, something like that, okay? So I will add another tag. Let's just say, for example, recipe, okay? Dinner recipe, chicken recipe. Let's say, for example, dinner recipe. Now try to add related tags, topics that are related, closely related to the topic of your pin. That is really, really important. Here you can see more options. Now here you can see alt text. I would recommend you to add alt text. That is the text that will describe what is actually on your pin, okay? It will describe the pin itself, okay? That is the alt text. And after you finish all of that, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish this Pinterest pin. Now you optimize your pin, but now you need to start getting saves, you need to start getting likes in order to rank as high as possible, in order to beat your competition, okay? So what you can do is you can simply come here on Facebook and you can search, for example, like for like, and then click here on groups. And here you can see like for like Facebook page, okay? Like for follow, for view, for like, okay? You can join these groups here and you can share your Pinterest pins. And you can say that if someone saves your Pinterest pin, you will save their Pinterest pin as well. So you will save there and they will save your. In that way, you will start getting saves, you will start getting likes. But this is a tip for you. Don't overdo it. Don't send 50, 20, 30 saves in just 1 hour, okay? Ideally, what you wish to do, you wish to make a post on your blog or on your website, and you wish to embed that Pinterest pin on that blog, for example, and you need to send people from these Facebook groups to your post on your blog and tell those people to save that pin from your blog, okay? In that way, it will look more natural to Pinterest algorithm, and Pinterest will say, okay, this is legit, okay? And if you get, let's say, for example, in the next 2 or 3 months, if you get, let's say, 50 or 100 saves, trust me, guys, you will rank high on Pinterest search results, okay? And you will start getting traffic. We saw here, for example, that this ground beef soup is getting 12,000 searches per month. Ground beef soup recipe it's getting 8,000 searches per month. Actually, this should have been my secondary keyword. I made a mistake. This should be my main keyword, and this should have been my secondary keyword, okay? In totally, I would target 20,000 people every month. And if you rank your pin as a top search result, you can get lots of traffic. And you're probably thinking, well, 20,000 searches per month is not that much. But let's say you make 50 pins that are targeting 20,000 people per month. You can start getting serious number of visits from Pinterest, totally free. You will be getting at least 500 visits every day from Pinterest to your blog, to your website, to your affiliate offer, or whatever you want. So this is how you get free traffic from Pinterest by ranking your Pinterest pins high on Pinterest search results. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.